Now on the screen you can see there is on the right hand side we have the nose wheel steering disconnect box, which is closed now. We have to open it to insert the pin, and we have two connectors here. The larger connector is to be actually open for the MEL dispatch, and then we have the inside view of the nose wheel steering disconnect panel. Here you can see the nose wheel steering disconnect switch. We have the 115 volt AC and 28 volt DC connections we can make. We can do the light test. We have the ground service control 2 switch. Also we have the this like two connectors, one for the PMAT and the other to connect the to supply to the tow truck power when we are getting. Okay, so now we have to insert the pin. So how we can insert the pin? We will be pulling this lever, and from the side we are putting this, like inserting this pin. So this pin is put from the side, and when the nose wheel steering is disconnected, you can see here the green light will is comes. That will be a confirmation that the nose wheel steering is getting is disconnected. On the forward face of this panel, you will find there are three lights. So the upper light is for the parking brake on. All three lights are amber in color. The middle light, which is for the nose wheel steering fault if it is not disconnected properly, and then the third light is about the steering warning. So what is steering warning? Normally the steering is available from the hand wheel for plus minus 75 degree, but if it's oversteered, in that case like plus minus 77 degree, so you will find this light is flashing to give you the indication that the steering is oversteered. We are getting the warning in the cockpit. And then we have the, you can see on the down side we have the mechanical indicator also. So mechanical indicator to which shear off, okay, in case of oversteering. This is the panel which is on the left hand side of the nose landing gear. Is a ground service panel. Here you will find some lights about the ELT, avionics vent, APU fire, and also for the cockpit call. You have the switches for the APU fire shut off. Also we have the switch for the cockpit call, and here you can connect also the ground the service interphone as well as the flight interphone. So this is available on the left hand side of the nose wheel, nose landing gear. Okay, so this is what we are getting on the A350 nose landing gear. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Aircraft Practical Maintenance Video, where you can see more videos about the other aircrafts. So this is the glimpse of some videos which are posted by me. So around 29 videos are available on different aircraft. So please do subscribe to my channel to encourage me. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Aircraft Practical Maintenance Video, where you can see more videos about the other aircrafts. So this is the glimpse of some videos which are posted by me. So around 29 videos are available on different aircraft. So please do subscribe to my channel to encourage me. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much.